So guys, in this video I'm gonna share how you can earn daily from Adsterra with a simple auto surfing method using. I will share you the website link also in the comment section. From there you can use this website hit for hit organization. It's a legit site and it's working very fantastically. And so many people actually text me in Telegram and say that they are earning good earning from. So that's why actually I feel very happy when you guys share me with your earning status, with your earning status. Today I'm gonna share you my one of the finest traffic source, which is hit for hit. I also have others YouTube method also I am bringing, but I will share this in my next others video. I will share you a good method of YouTube earning method, like how can you get traffic from YouTube also. So today this video's topic is very simple. We are going to use only simple way of earning from Adsterra, and that's completely free. You don't need to pay any penny to any website. You just use your internet, you use your computer, mobile. You can do this even mobile also, and don't have to worry that it's completely mobile friendly. So if you are using mobile for doing work for Adsterra, you can use this. So actually the method is very simple. When you click on the auto serve button, it will bring a website and just the website will run automatically background. You don't need it even to click on any site here. The website will run automatically. See, the website is loading automatically. So what actually is happening here, the method is you earn from automatic surfing viewing from others website. They give you points, coins, rewards, and that coins will exchange with others viewer also. So you view other site, you earns, then others person view your site, they earns. So the coin exchange here with view. So you view, you get earns, they view, you pay them. So first you earn, then you pay. That's it. That's the simple complex method here. Now see, this site have listed with AdSense accounts also. Like in this site, people are getting view for their AdSense. So don't worry. Just don't do self-click too much. Self-click is banned for Adsterra. Don't do too much. Your account will be banned. Otherwise, you don't have to worry. Just follow as my method. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm making a just simple landing page. You know, my method of making landing page is very simple, completely free, completely simple. Just copy paste your banner code, copy paste a native code, and use a $10 skip code. That's it. 2 or 3 code you need. Your banner code, okay, and then your see already my points is increasing. It's now 18. It was 5 or 6. So it's actually working. Now you see, I need a $10 script for here and native code also. So this is a banner code. So let's copy a native code from here. Just make a landing page as every time I make. That's it. And paste it in here in HTML mode. Don't paste in the Compose VM mode, because you know why? It will not work because it's in a code format, script format. Okay. So now what I'm going to share you a $10 script, a very popular script for me, which just boost my earning every time. And you guys who actually using this, they also gave me a good feedback that this script is working for them very much, and this script is very working script. And you can just copy this and save it in your computer and use it in your any post. You can use this. If you have website, you have blog, you have WordPress, anywhere you can use this script. It's very simple script you can use. Okay, see, that's it. Now what happened, I will just change this direct link with my direct link. Like it's already my direct link, but you have to change it with your own Adsterra direct link from here. Otherwise, you know what, I will get the view from your website. Like you work hard, but I will get the view. I don't want that. You work hard, you get the view. So let's just copy this direct link from here and paste it in here. That's it. And when you paste in here, the change will automatically redirect into a direct link every time your page is load into a browser, load into a load click by someone, they will automatically redirect it to a direct link from this link below listing here. That's actually secret, and that's actually redirecting method is happening here. And I am using this method, it's very long, and I just got a good result from this method. I hope you will also get this same method, and using this method you can earn. And believe me, if you don't want to do this, just stop this video, just do nothing. I will not force you, I will not tell you this now, but if you want to get a good result, I hope pause my video now, start studying what I am doing, and just compare both. Like, are you doing what I am showing you? I hope you got my point. Okay, now what I did, it's very simple. Okay, go to Traffic Exchange website, click on my website pages and add your link here. That's it. You have to add your own link, which own landing page, which I have already made. You already, if you have made, just paste it in here. You don't need to make new one. If you have already a landing page, you don't have to make new one. Don't change anything, don't need to change any setting from here. Just paste the link in here and add page button, click. That's it. See, your setting is done. It's the 0 views for new link and 19 views for old link. Like, I also added this 10 or 20 minutes ago. It's already getting 19 views. Okay, now I just click on the auto surfing view and see what's actually working. Already I have earned so many coins, but this coin have gone because it's exchanged with view for my website traffic. Like, my blog is already getting view. As the earning, you don't have to worry. The earning will automatically increase if you work hard, if you work smartly. Like, hard part is you have to wait, you have to set up this, and the easy part is one click auto serve method. See, that's it. Now I am going to add some link in here because I will share this link with you. Okay, I will share this link with you because I want to share all my popular site where I am getting view. If you don't believe me, you can try those other site also. If you have a good knowledge on this site, you can do by your own method, or you can just check my previous video. I have every video shared so many new method, so many new website, so you will get idea how actually this site work. So let's check. I want to share you one thing. Like, see, this surfing is automatically running in this browser and it's automatically giving view. Also the good part is that it will hit automatically direct link from your landing page. That's actually the good part. See, now points is rising, increasing, decreasing. It's actually the simple method I am using here. Okay, so everything is set up here and you don't have to worry about the views. Your views will automatically increase day by day. I hope you got my point. When you refresh, you will see the result. Like, it should take some time, like 1 or 2 minutes to get this result, but you don't have to worry. When you earn, the points will automatically transfer a view and you will get the same result as I am getting right now. Okay, so I hope you. Now I am just testing my website, like how it look like. So this is the actually link where I am working, and this is my landing page. All is impression, everything is impression in here, and just after 10 seconds it will redirect to a new. See, I didn't click on anything. It has redirected in a new direct link within 10 seconds. So that's simple, and already 20 views and 1 view is already on count, so I don't have to worry because it's legit. Okay, I didn't cut any part of this video. I just wanted to share everything with you guys so that you don't get confused and you will get the right method how to earn from Adsterra with using free traffic site from this website. Hope you got my point. Now I'm going to share you my working strategy, like how I want to share you my statistics. So see, this is, I have so many websites, but I'm sharing you this website statistic because this is my testing site. Every new method I just learn, I just want to test, I use this method in here, and you see I'm getting a good views from YouTube, a good nice traffic from YouTube. How? I just tested so many methods in YouTube and I got one or two methods which is actually working very good. I'll try to share this method with you in next video. And I'm also getting traffic from google.com. As you can see, already 8 traffic is very organic. As you know that google.com is a legit website. It's not a fake. Okay, as you can see, so many browser extension, browser I'm getting traffic. It's not actually fake, everything is real here. And as you can see, Google admin.corp.google.com, plugrush, so many websites in my bucket list. I will try to share new video and share new method with you guys. Just support me, comment, like, subscribe, everything you want to do. You can get me in Telegram, but I'm little bit busy, that's why sometimes I cannot reply. I'm sorry for that, but don't worry, in my group has so many expert person in there. They will support you, they will share their idea with you. Don't worry, just ask your question, and in this group so many expert person is actually now working, so they will try to help you, I hope. So I'm going to share all my sites which I have getting a good result, so you can also use this site. And if you have your own method you can use, or if you have a good method you can share, because I'm sharing it with you, it's completely free. But why not you share a method with me, like you are earning a good earning from like this method? Because you know why? You think that this method if you share it will got viral, and no, actually any method will not work for a long time, but for a certain time you can generate a good penny from every method. This is actually a simple idea. So if you have good idea, if you have good method, you can definitely share with me. You can definitely just post it in comment section so that others people can get help by using your method. And if no one will share their method, how online people will survive in this surviving mode? I hope you got my point. So guys, follow these things, use these websites, get traffics, exchange traffics, and comment. And you can comment me like, is this working for you or not? Okay, I will not force you to do this, but you can test it and you can tell me, is it working or not for you? If not working, why not working? Didn't you add the $10 script? Didn't you repeatedly paste your ad code in the landing page? Did you use a good social ad code, pop under code? Why not? If you don't use that, you cannot do this properly. So you have to set up also that also. I will try to make a general video for how to make a good ad setup. I already have one. I will share you, if you want, I will share this how to ad setup in your blog so that you can get maximum earning from your site. If you don't do that, actually it will not working for you. So you have to first set up this method. Okay, you have to do this definitely, otherwise whatever you do, your earning will not start immediately. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And actually I just tried, I didn't cut any part of this video. What I just recorded, I just shared it with you so that you can get a good clean view from for using this method. Thank you guys, bye.